Hello, students. Today I am back with another part of speech. You know it as adjectives. Dear students, let us guess what we can see in the picture. Yes, you have guessed it correctly. A glass full of cold water. So here what we are saying? The glass is filled with cold water. So the word cold is describing the water. How is the water? Water is cold. So here the word cold is the adjective because cold word is describing the water. Let us guess once more. What we can see here in the picture? We can see leaves. And another way to describe the leaves is many leaves because we cannot count them. And one more method to say the sentence is the leaves are green, or we can say green leaves. So dear students, many leaves, green leaves. So here we can describe the leaves in two different ways, green leaves or many leaves. Many is also describing the leaves, so many is an adjective in this case. And if we say like green leaves, then the word green is playing the role of adjective because it is describing the leaves. So now let us start what these describing words are called. So let us now discover what are adjectives. So now we can say words that tell us more about nouns are called describing words or adjectives. Let's learn more about adjectives in detail. Listen to it carefully so that you can understand it well. Adjectives give us more information about nouns such as shape, size, color, age, number, quantity, taste, how something feels, the order or position of something, and even show belonging or possession. Here I am going to explain in Hindi also so that you cannot be confused with these adjectives. Here we have to make it clear that adjective give us more information about what? Nouns in the sentence, such as the shape of the noun, size of the noun, color of the noun, age of the noun, or it can be number or quantity of the noun. Number means 1, 2, 3, or quantity means maybe some, little, more, or many. Then taste of the noun, how something feels. For example, how the noun feels. And the order of the noun, it may be first, second, third. Or position of something, position means behind, or whenever we are telling about the position near. And even show belonging or possession. Mine, this car is mine, this house is mine, this pen is yours. These are the belonging or possessions of the describing words. They are also adjectives. Let us take some example. Circular track. So here we can say that track is circular. So the circular word is describing the track. Track means rasta, the way. So how is the way? It is circular in shape. Okay. Now red apples. Here the apple's color is being described. So this is the noun that is describing this is the adjective that is describing the noun apples. Sweet mango. Here we can say the taste of the mango is being described. The third prize. Here the order of the prize is being described. Which order? First, second, or third? So it is third prize here. Here we are going to discuss about two strange kind of adjectives because up to now you were known these are interrogatives only, but here we will come to know that these two words are interrogative adjectives also when they are used in this way. What and which are used as adjectives in questions when they modify a noun. जब ये वाले वर्ड्स किसी नाउन के बारे में बताने का काम करते हैं then they are called adjectives. दैट इज दे लिमिट द सेंस इन विच अ नाउन इज यूज्ड। यहाँ पर वो उस नाउन के सेंस को एकदम लिमिट कर देते हैं कि कौन से नाउन की बात हो रही है। देन इट इज कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव्स। What and which are interrogative adjectives in such examples? Let us take 2 examples to make it clear. What paper is this? मतलब ये कौन सा पेपर है? What means क्या पेपर है ये? क्या? The quality of paper, the kind of paper we are asking. Okay. Which house is yours? Here again, which word is modifying the noun house? Because this word is telling about or are telling about which house. तुम्हारा इसमें से कौन सा घर है? Which house? Now we are talking about the house and which house. So the word which is telling about the house, it is modifying the noun house here. That is why we have to identify it as an interrogative adjectives. The adjective what is also used in an exclamatory sense. Do you know this? Let us take an example. What a beautiful place. What nonsense. Here you can see this what word is just telling an exclamatory feeling about this place, about this talk. So here these what are doing the work of adjectives because they are describing the noun beautiful place or about a talk or comment that is nonsense. The adjective own is used to highlight belongings. For example, I want my own house. Here, the own word is telling that whose house? My house. It belongs to me. So these are some more adjectives which we have to remember. What and own. Let us confirm one more adjective, that is very. The adjective very is also used to highlight something. Whenever we are going to tell something about a particular thing, a particular place, a particular noun, then we use very. This is the very place he fell. ये वही जगह है जहाँ पर वो गिरा था. This very is giving the description of the place जहाँ पर वो गिरा था. This is the very place. So this is highlighting the place and it is doing the work of a adjective. Dear students, do you know one more thing? That adjectives are used in 2 ways in a sentence. One, they to qualify a noun directly, and this is called the attributive use of adjectives. Let us take the example for the same. Lame horse, blind man. Here you can see the adjective lame is describing the horse directly and it is just before the noun horse. So this is directly used as an attributive adjective. Blind man. Again you can see the blind adjective is placed just near the noun man. So here we can say that it is qualifying the noun directly and this is attributive use of an adjective. Now the second way of the use of adjective is to qualify a noun or pronoun indirectly. This is called the predicative use. Here you will see that the noun and adjectives are not directly placed with each other. They are having a verb between them. We can see the examples. The horse became lame. The horse is the noun here and the adjective is lame. But the verb became is used in between. So this is called predicative use. Because we all know that the verb starts with the predicate starts with a verb in a sentence. So here this lame adjective is being used in a predicative case. The second example we can say the man was blind. The man is the noun here and the blind is the adjective for him, but the verb was is there in between. उन दोनों के बीच में was आ गया है, इसलिए indirectly man को qualify कर रहा है blind adjective. So this is again the predicative use of adjective. I hope I have made all points about adjectives clear to you and thank you for watching.